from the point of view of programming, really what you have here for microservices is potentially a collection of people who are distributed. So therefore you have to have a programming capability which is distributed. You're not necessarily sitting down working on your laptop on a bit of code. You have to make sure that people can work on it together from different places. And that really then marries with the architecture from a point of view deployment, is that the very nature of microservices means that things can be deployed anywhere around the world and they interact with each other. And a big reason for this is that you want a microservice to be able to scale independently of the rest of the application it's working with. So therefore the platforms need to be flexible enough so that when you deploy something you can scale a particular microservice to an nth degree. Other microservices working with that don't necessarily need the same kind of scale. So microservices are really good at addressing the limitations of existing hardware deployments so that you can particularly target functions and scale.